Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. So what we're gonna do today, we're actually gonna look at some properties at we're actually located in Moen. So we're just going in and look at some stuff because I need to buy my future house so my kids can have it. So you know, and then she's gonna have our own place next door. Chin up yourself, girl. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So let's go inside now. I'm going to give my video a thumbs up.
Home that you're going to be looking at. Then we have a 3-bed 3-bath. Then we have, which is across there with the roof, that's the 3-bed 3-bath. And then we have the townhome, which is a duplex, meaning it's only joined on one side. I'm going to send you an email with all of this information, so if you don't get the picture or don't capture all of the information, we'll give it to you. I can always send it to you. Alright, so we'll start this way to the right. Okay. Your budget?
Yeah.
It's really down to your
She's young and
budget.
just starting
This is
out.
not basic.
Alright. Well,
Alright. This is not basic. I'm going to draw your attention to the door. Knock on that door for me.
solid.
You see that? This is not basic. You see the locks?
Yeah.
Not your regular.
No, when I said basic, I mean the basic, not the expensive one. She just started out, so simple 2-bedroom. I wasn't referring to the price.
Okay, so the first room on the left here is the bedroom.
Oh, this is big.
Yes.
So this is the master.
That's why it said not basic.
Right, it's not basic.
No, this is not basic.
This is not your home. It is not a basic home. The finishes are top of the line. All the kitchen finishing is all Moen, and so basically no expensive things there. You have your recessed lighting as well. So I'm going to draw your attention to the his and hers cupboards.
Wow.
You can step in and have a look at how high up they
Walk
go.
in, light.
Oh.
Not yet. Not quite.
Oh, you intend to put the light there.
But you see how high
Yeah.
they go. So check exactly the same. Okay. I know it's hard.
Yeah.
It's hard. We're not used to it. You know. Let the bathroom. Pull the door a bit so you can get a good look at the bath. The tub.
Jacuzzi like type.
So as I said, all Moen finishing as well. The toilet is tucked away in the corner there.
Okay. I'm over here at the like the marble counters. We can open this up?
No, I'm asking nothing be touched. Because we're literally.
Guys, I love the bedroom. Look at the bedroom. Yeah, this is nice.
Alright, so you have two bedrooms now that share the one bathroom. So the first bedroom on the right hand side, you can go ahead. All the bathrooms are wired for air conditioning, but it doesn't come with air conditioning.
Split unit. Okay.
That's the cupboard.
I'm not a ceiling.
So this is your cold space up here to do any electrical. So your bathroom that is shared with the 2 bedrooms.
Oh. And the price for this one again?
It's 30.5 million.
Oh.
You're not going to find anything like this in town. Absolutely not. And all the walls are solid. No drywall at all.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, the cupboard spaces are big.
These are closet, guys.
A shelf can be.
Yes, yeah. They've made good use of the space. They've made good use of the space.
I love the design of how you guys designed the room.
Well, what they've done is they've given you the 3 different size beds to give you an idea of what you can fit in the room. So across here is a queen size, and then these are the twin. And then the main bedroom is king size. So it just gives you an idea. So the bed head might be.
Yeah, there's one right there.
Right, and I think the bed head might be hiding the other one. And then you've got here in the corner. So you can put a little desk in the corner there.
Computer, laptop.
It's a gated community, right?
It's a gated community. It's going to be 55 units.
Oh, okay.
And it's a homeowners association, which means that the owners will police inside here. So any infringements, it's the homeowners. There's a lot of space that you're not allowed to build, front, back, side, anywhere else. This is how you get your property.
So you're not allowed to do any form of extension?
No. The development is going to be completely uniform. So like when you go up to places on the north coast and they have these developments and the houses look very pretty and very nice and orderly, and that is what it's going to be like. Can I get you guys some water? Are you alright? You want some water? Yes. Can water or
what size fridge is this?
Can water?
I'll take the straight water.
Can water? Yes, please. And the place like,
Standard.
Wash area right here.
To the left here is the wash area.
Wash and dry? Oh yes, Yeah, the space is
and the stairs.
Yeah.
This is very good.
Yeah. So it doesn't come with the machines, but it's just again to give you an idea of the size.
Very big.
Where's the water line?
Okay, so it's completely walled. So where you see the wall,
This is a lot of space.
and then I believe they're going to be putting picket fence. They're going to be
This is nice to
fence
start.
above the cement, but I'm not sure what size picket fence. But that's how each unit's going to come together.
Yeah.
If they're going to allow persons to put individual pool. Because remember that it comes with a pool, right? So this is your
This is
each unit, this is the space.
and the house is nice. I love everything.
So this is your space.
Put up a roof line for them, or that's not considered?
That will be up to them. That will be up to them when they come. Actually, let's walk back through the house because I need to take you.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Each house.
Guys, let's take a final look in here before we leave. This is the wash area. It doesn't come with anything.
Side.
So this one,
It's a lot of space.
It is.
Yes.
Home sweet
Okay,
home.
what's your email address?
And a look in here.
Sorry, what did you say about the color?
Guys, let's take a final look before we leave. So 2 beds is in here. Guys, I love the closet. Look on how big the closet is. And this is going for $30 million. This is the bathroom.
Yes, exactly.
I love this room, man. Guys, on this closet. There's the next one up here. And this is the dining area, guys. And this is outside.
Well, they don't come with grill.
Oh,
You have to put your own grill.
I can't hold fashion now. Put the grill straight onto the structure.
Okay. That's the best way to do it.
It's harder to cut.
Guys, I love the bathroom. So some kind of bath. Marble tiles. So guys, this is actually outside. That's how outside is looking. And that's the garden space outside. And more properties are actually working on it right now as we speak. So yeah. Guys, you know that I cannot go on the road without buying food. So I'm just here having some famous bowl. And I'm going home right now. So that's what's up. Chin in the back. You got chin in the back. You got my driver. You got yourself.
Yes, guys. There you can see. Remember to go over to my channel, subscribe, like, comment, and all that, you know?
And all that. So I'll get back to you guys, okay?